Save hours daily by automating your email marketing with Paperform and ActiveCampaign. With Paperform, you can automate your tedious manual tasks, streamline your workflow, and spend more of your time doing what you love. G'day there, Alex here from Paperform to show you how you can automate your workflow and get back to the important things. Connecting Paperform with ActiveCampaign is a breeze and will save you a ton of time and hassle. So follow me. Firstly, open the form editor of the form you want to connect to ActiveCampaign. Navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. Below Direct Integrations, select ActiveCampaign and then select the action you want to trigger when your form is submitted. We have a number of possible actions, so choose what works for you. You'll be redirected to the integration setup where you'll need to connect your ActiveCampaign account. Select the Add Account button and a window will open asking for your account API URL and API key. Too easy. To grab these, simply head into your ActiveCampaign dashboard and select Settings in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Developer from the left side panel and you will see your API access. Simply copy your key and URL, then paste them into the setup, just like so. Then select Connect ActiveCampaign. Now it's time to set up the integration. Now I opted for creating or updating a new contact, so I will need to select a contact list. Time to map your form data to your correlating contact list fields. Your list will have default and may have some custom fields that you have created. If you recently added a new field but you can't see it in the setup, simply hit the refresh icon here. Now for the email address field, select your email question field. To do this, select the icon to the right of a field to display the submission data you can select. Then work your way through the rest of the fields. However, note that only fields with an asterisk are required. As you keep going through, once you're happy and have finished, click the Send Test button at the bottom to test out the action. But before you use the Send Test button and for it to work, you must have a recent submission that contains data for the fields being used in your integration action. In other words, if you haven't completed a test submission of your form, do this first. Now, if an issue occurs during the test, an error message will inform you of what needs to be fixed. Otherwise, you can continue. You can also set logic rules to trigger the integration under certain conditions. For example, you might only want to create a new contact if they indicate on the form that they'd like to sign up. Okay, all that is left to do is select Finish Setup, and you're done. All integrations for a specific form will be visible at the top of the page, and you can turn off an integration at any time. Select the gear icon to edit the integration if you want to make changes, view a history of past actions, duplicate, or delete. It is that simple. So sign up for a 14-day free trial and learn how you can automate your workflows and take control of your time. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on everything Paperform. Good luck.